Got for two. Today, I got 30 days to fix a 30-year-old car. And yeah, I've got the headline. That's pretty awesome. Great. We're just wrapping up the 2017 Niagara Falls Chevette meet, and I just wanted to send out a thank you to Ryan Smith for actually letting us drive his Chevette all day. He even put gas in it. He wouldn't even let me put gas in it, and I just wanted to say, Ryan, thank you very much. This has been a fantastic experience. We're just on our way back to your place now to enjoy barbecue, and then we're going to be heading back home tonight. But listen, man, this was a great time. I really, really enjoyed it. Thanks again. Today is the day to prepare and get ready to hit the road. This is almost everything that was out in the barn. Okay, let me rephrase that. This was everything I've used in the last couple of days to go through that car and finalize some things. So there's literally a little bit of everything here. I have to go through and clean all the tools, put them all back where they belong, get the aerosols away and gone. Today is not too much of a car update other than I've been driving it. I drove it a lot yesterday, drove it some more today. It's feeling solid. I've got high hopes for this trip. I feel like it's gonna do all right. And the more I'm driving it, the more I'm thinking that 401 might not be a bad idea at 100 kilometers an hour. As long as we don't push it too hard, I think it'll be okay. Even if we go about 105 and try to keep that pace, I think the car's gonna do all right. That'd be around 65, 67 miles an hour, something like that, which is, I think, reasonable for that car to ask for with the 3-speed. If it was the 4-speed, it might do a little bit better, but we'll do with what we got. So I need to clean this up. I went to the parts store, just got back. Picked up the replacement timing belt that I wanted to bring with me just in case. So here she is on the top. I've got all my tools packed here, some more below. Gloves, rags, everything. It's a good thing, I've already needed it. I got out to the car this morning and it barely wanted to turn over. It turned over enough and it started. And then it stalled, and then it did it one more time. So I put a brand new battery in it. Okay, it's right about 12 o'clock. It's 10 minutes after 12. And we are just ready to roll out of the driveway here. The odometer is 221,984. We'll see you guys in a couple of hours, probably some updates along the way. Wish us luck. enter the 401 and see how this thing rips along at 100 kilometers an hour instead of 80. So let's get kicking. We're hitting a bit of traffic here, but we still are about an hour and a half away, assuming that traffic continues at this normal rate. Well, not the slow one. Kill the radio. Ah, we got all twos. That's fantastic. And we've still got about another hour, 20 minutes on our journey. Maybe we're going to see some rain. Time will tell. So we made it all the way here. We're gonna have a bunch more cars here tomorrow, but this is just the beginning. Now we get to go cruising.